Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a personal branding strategy using Notion. This will be your ultimate guide for 2025 and beyond. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a new page in Notion titled Personal Branding Strategy. This is where we'll organize all your ideas, goals, and plans for your personal brand in one place. The reason we do this is to have a clear, visual board that allows us to track our progress and keep everything in order. Now that we've done that, it's time to create 4 subheadings: mission statement, target audience, unique selling proposition, and visual identity. These are the pillars of your personal brand. Each pillar plays a crucial role. Your mission statement is your why. Your target audience is who you want to reach. Your unique selling proposition is what sets you apart. And your visual identity is how people will recognize you. Next up, under the mission statement subheading, write down your core values, passions, and the impact you hope to make. This helps us because it lays the foundation for your personal brand and serves as a guide for all your branding decisions. Moving on to target audience, it's time to identify who your ideal audience is. Consider their age, interests, problems they face, and how your personal brand can benefit them. The reason we do this is to ensure that our branding efforts are directed towards the right people. Once we've done that, we need to define your unique selling proposition. This is a summary of what makes you different and why your target audience should care. Let me explain why this matters. In a world where everyone is fighting for attention, your unique selling proposition will help you stand out and attract your ideal audience. Lastly, let's focus on visual identity. This includes your logo, color scheme, typography, and any other visual elements that represent your brand. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you consistently use these elements, your audience will start associating them with you, enhancing your brand recognition. To wrap it up, we've just created a comprehensive personal branding strategy using Notion. We've defined your mission, identified your target audience, clarified your unique selling proposition, and created a visual identity. Remember, your personal brand is a true reflection of you, so make sure it represents you accurately and authentically. Thanks for joining me today. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.